आपका बच्चा खाता ही नहीं है खाना,
बच्चा क्यों नहीं खा रहा है, दैट इज अ वेरी बिग रीजन.
मिल्क इज इनफ फॉर द ग्रोथ.
Definitely no. No fiber, no iron. We are eating to fuel our body.
तो मेरा बच्चा बाहर का ही खाना खाता है, मैं घर
Hmm.
में कुछ भी बना लूँ वो खाएगा ही नहीं, उसको टेस्टी बाहर का पसंद है.
Who is actually promoting that food?
तो शुगर फ्री जूसेस,
There is nothing like sugar-free juices.
हमारा तो खाते पीते घर का बच्चा है, तुम भी तो ऐसे ही खा के बड़े हुए हो. जो इवनिंग का टाइम होता है विच इज मोस्टली ऑन बिंजिंग, और वही टाइम होता है जो यूजुअली वी ऑल रश टू मार्केट्स टू हैव समथिंग.
Don't create meal time as a battlefield or war zone. उसको create मत करो. Let child do self-feeding.
Hi, I am Priyanshi Sharma, director at Eurokids 21C Faridabad. So today I am here to understand or break many myths which are related to child nutrition. We'll be talking about शुगर का क्या सिनेरियो है, कितना खिलाना है, कितना नहीं खिलाना है, क्या खिलाना है, कैसे खिलाना है, क्योंकि ये सवाल रोज मैं सुनती हूँ फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पेरेंट्स. सो टुडे आई एम जॉइंड बाय न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट नितिका रावल, अ चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट who has helped many parents out to actually understand that what child needs. Hi Nitika, welcome to
Hi.
the podcast.
Thank you so much.
तो आई वांट टू आस्क यू, अगर बच्चा प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन ले रहा है तो क्या उसका डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट उसकी इंटेलिजेंस और उसकी लर्निंग पर पड़ता है?
यस डेफिनेटली पड़ता है. देयर इज अ बिग रीजन फॉर दैट बिकॉज सी न्यूट्रिशन जो है वो एक फाउंडेशन है. आप अगर अर्ली ईयर्स में प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो बच्चे को, तो यू विल सी हाउ द किड इज ग्रोइंग, कितना अच्छा ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. बिकॉज है द न्यूट्रिएंट्स विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एट दिस टाइम आर आयरन, कैल्शियम, विटामिन ए, फैट्स, बिकॉज दे प्ले अ रोल, इंटेग्रल रोल एक्चुअली, जो न्यूरल स्ट्रक्चर्स बनता है ब्रेन का इस टाइम. क्योंकि सी first 5 years are very important for a brain development, right?
Right.
So if we are not giving proper nutrition at this time, so definitely you will see a great issue with attention and proper growth of a child.
सो आई हर्ड समटाइम्स, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं दैट अगर बच्चा एक्टिव है तो सब सही है.
Hmm.
सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से इन दैट? शुड वी डिग डीपर टू द न्यूट्रिशन, और हाउ शुड वी गो अहेड विद दिस?
Yes, ये मैंने भी बहुत बार सुना है कि इफ अ चाइल्ड इज एक्टिव तो वो प्रॉपर खा रहा है, नो मैटर इवन वो जंक खा रहा है या कैसे खा रहा है. द थिंग इज, देखो, एक्टिवनेस इज नॉट गोइंग टू डिसाइड कि बच्चे की ग्रोथ कैसी हो रही है, ओवरऑल फिजिकल ग्रोथ, इमोशनल, मेंटल, ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट कितना हो रहा है. बिकॉज सी, यहाँ पे मैं फोकस करूंगी आपका ग्रोथ चार्ट पे. बिकॉज हमें बच्चे का कैसा ग्रोथ हो रहा है, दैट वी हैव टू सी थ्रू दिस थिंग. ग्रोथ चार्ट आइडली आप किसी भी जैसे पेरेंट्स हैं, वैक्सीनेशन चार्ट के हमेशा पीछे या फ्रंट में देर इज अ चार्ट, ग्राफ होता है जिसमें आपका पीडियाट्रिशियन दे ऑलवेज कैलकुलेट लाइक हाइट एंड वेट मार्क करेंगे. सो इफ दैट graph is going in the upward direction, so growth is good. It is in a positive manner, like going in a positive way. But अगर वो stable है or going downwards, then definitely you need to take care and see where nutrition is lacking here.
Also, we all have heard sugar.
I know.
So, what do you have to say about sugar intake of toddlers or maybe infants?
Yeah, definitely. See, if you're giving all packet foods, all processed foods, so you see they are very high in sugar, fats, flavor enhancers and whatnot. So if child is having most of the meals in a day from outside, junk जा रहा है, pastries जा रहे, chocolates हो गए या chips हो गए, so you see hyperactivity is definitely going to be there. Carbs कितना ले रहे हैं, because ideally you see everybody is focusing on proteins. There is a reason for that, क्योंकि हमारा diet is like very high in carbs, right? So we need to focus on that. अगर हम बहुत carbs, sugars and ये सब देंगे तो फाइबर नहीं है डाइट में, प्रोटीन नहीं है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स बाकी मिनरल्स हैं हमारे जो इंपॉर्टेंट है, विटामिन ए, डी, कैल्शियम हो गया, तो वो सब हमारा दे विल टेक अ बैक सीट एक्चुअली. So that is why we need to make sure we are not giving too much sugars to the child.
So, usually ये मेरा question रहता है at the time of counseling the parents that कितना sugar intake है बच्चे का. तो mothers कभी कभी बोलती no, I don't give them sugar at all, which we all know that वो एक outside source of sugar नहीं है, but in
Absolutely.
terms of fructose and वो सब तो जा रहा है.
हम्म.
But एक जो word है moderation, that I am giving sugar in moderation. So what is that? How much amount is moderate sugar for infants?
See, you cannot calculate every time when you are giving it to a child. मतलब
Correct.
a mother cannot count it through 1 spoon दिया है, 2 spoon दिया है, 3 spoons. You cannot count like that. So it's better, you see sugar is in every food, आपकी milk में भी है, how you're defining sugar, that matters. अगर if you're going to cover all the food groups, vegetables हो
Hmm.
गए, fruits हो गए, pulses, cereals, legumes, and your nuts and seeds हो गए, अगर if your focus is to give all the food groups, तो आप you know that you're giving the right thing. तो आपको इतना you don't have to think much about कि मैं कितना sugar दे रही हूँ, कितना, because you don't have to just focus on sugar, you have to focus on overall thing.
And with sugar, if we dig deep, so many parents they are using date sugars,
Yeah.
monk fruit sugars. So will all of these get counted into the bad sugar thing, or like what?
See, if I talk about a white sugar, that is a refined sugar, right? But right now, you see, even being an adult, I have seen, people are saying I'm using, khand le rahe hain, ya hum good le rahe hain, ya hum we are taking any other, sweetener. So they are actually, you can say, less refined. Because you see, अगर हम refined sugar की बात करें तो that is also derived from a गुड़. खांड
Yeah.
भी हमारा गुड़ से ही आया है, ठीक है? तो you can say processing part is less, so you can give it, because everything is like you talk about, if you talk about sugar, तो वो सब कुछ naturally है, right? तो अगर मैं dates की भी बात करूँ तो that's okay, you can give it. Definitely date is a very good alternative for white sugar, क्योंकि it is very good for brain development as well, right? तो अगर
Correct.
आप one date भी देते हो in a day, that's really going to help you out in proper growth, brain development, and overall.
So the problem is not sugar, but the
Hmm.
problem is the refinedness of the sugar.
Yes,
Is that
absolutely.
what we are trying
Same
to?
goes, yes, same goes with flour. जैसे मैदा बोलते हैं, दैट इज अ रिफाइंड वर्जन ऑफ योर नॉर्मल होल व्हीट फ्लावर, जो हम आटा जिसकी रोटी खाते हैं, राइट? तो रिफाइननेस में क्या होता है, आपका सारा फाइबर खत्म हो जाता है, उसको फर्दर रिफाइन करते हो, और माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो होते हैं वो उसमें खत्म हो जाते हैं. तो इट्स बेटर इफ वी टेक द बेटर लाइक होल वर्जन ऑफ इट.
Right. So, hence we're talking about kids here. What would be the classification of junks for them? जंक फूड क्या होगा जो डिफरेंस होता है बड़ों के जंक फूड और बच्चों के जंक फूड में? मे बी देयर समथिंग जो बच्चों के लिए अच्छा हो और हम बड़ों के लिए ठीक ना हो. सो व्हाट इज द कैटेगरी लाइक?
Like, see, junk is junk. Junk is anything if you're opening out of, you're taking out of packet. If you're opening a packet, that is definitely a junk. Especially, when it is highly processed, uska date aap dekhoge kitna long hai. How the date is long, because they have added some chemicals, preservatives, flavor enhancers. So it's definitely a junk. चाहे कोई भी ले, चाहे बच्चा ले या बड़ा ले, आप बाहर से ले रहे हो, it is a junk. Even if you're making it at home, that's a much better option, because there are a lot of things which you can give it to your child. बहुत सारे options हैं, बहुत सारी things which you can give it, like you can give a beetroot tikki, or you can give steamed vegetable करके उसको टिक्की, you can make it, you can give burgers, mini burgers lunch में. तो ऐसे there are a lot of options, it's just that you have to explore your own kitchen for that.
So, what are the timings, correct timings to have fruits for the child? Because मैं notice करती हूँ हम लोगों ने हमारे meal planners में usually fruit add किया हुआ है. So, usually parents का रहता है that ma'am, you should not combine this together, or you should give the fruit little early, or the food later maybe. So, is there a timing of both things as well?
हाँ, you can take fruits as a mid morning snack. Okay, and in case you are not, you're not able to find any option for the evening time, तब आप दे सकते हो कि evening में भी you can like एक banana दे दिया, or banana pancake you can give it. So that way you can use fruit. So as a meal, I don't recommend, but definitely there should be a gap between mid morning snack, evening snack, and your major meal.
अच्छा, जो आज का ईटिंग पैटर्न्स है, जो भी हम खा रहे हैं, व्हाटएवर इनटेक्स वी आर हैविंग इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड, हाउएवर थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी इजी दीस डेज. हम लोग ब्लिंकिट से ऑर्डर करते हैं, वी जस्ट हैव टू चूज फॉर गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. बट अगर हम नॉर्मल स्ले डाउन रखते हैं दैट अ पेरेंट हु इज वेरी बिजी इन देयर लाइफस्टाइल and is mostly into processed foods, so what are the health hazards we can expect in that terms?
Yes. So here, I would like to highlight, especially for the parents like who are working, because I can understand it's very difficult for them to manage their nutrition as well as a kid's nutrition, right?
That's
So
true.
in that case, what we can do is, it's better if we pre-plan our things. If we are, if we have Saturday, Sundays, right? Or even not Saturdays, at least you have one day in a week where you are free. you can pre-plan your things, your groceries, and what you're going to have it the next week. Like you are going to have chila, or idli, dosa, whatever. Just make a list of it. That will be more easier for a person to actually cook, because everything is pre-planned. You can steam your vegetables in advance. If in case you want to soak any particular thing for a batter, you can do that. So if you know that your fridge is full and your grocery is all full, so then you won't be ordering it from outside, from Zomato, Swiggy, or Blinkit. Because at the end, if you're not doing this, you are definitely going to order from outside, and child is just the copy of what you are following, right? So if we are ordering Zomato, Swiggy most of the time, so child will also learn that. So
Right.
that we have to definitely avoid. क्योंकि अगर हम जितना बाहर से खाएं, no matter how healthy it is, but you don't know how how it is prepared and what oil they have used. So that is the reason. Because childhood obesity, as you see, it's coming up. कितने issues हैं at a young age. People are getting heart issues or diabetes, and बहुत सारे ऐसे cases हैं. So better if we are going to inculcate good habits right in the beginning, so that we can see well well grown child.
So we all know, मतलब अभी we can stop these kids, बाद में तो इनको खाना ही खाना है, right? So in order to have a balanced way for them, because parents should also have a time to थोड़ा सा बाहर जाएं, chill करें. So how much of eating outside, maybe a healthy choices, but eating outside or maybe having processed food is fine. The moderation word which is coming up these days. How much of having that is fine?
See, once a week or twice a week is okay, but definitely you're not taking that whole day from outside. You're just taking a meal or two on
Right.
weekends, right? That is completely fine. But definitely taking 3-4 times, 5 times in a week is not advisable.
Right.
Because if you're going to order it from outside, and what you are eating, child will definitely eat. And yes, if you're going to lay a good foundation right in the beginning, आप proper you are inculcating all the habits कि हमें ये खाना चाहिए, नहीं खाना चाहिए. घर में जो चीज आ रहा है आपका, आप ग्रोसरी में don't get chips, don't get chocolates, and don't get all that stuff. So आपके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो you child will see कि पेरेंट्स क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या चल रहा है. So definitely child is not going to take it, right? Order बच्चा नहीं कर सकता, order आप करोगे, right? So that is the reason. तो अगर घर में होगा तो आप भी खाओगे और बच्चा भी खाएगा, और अगर घर में नहीं होगा तो definitely, क्योंकि आप जो अभी ले करोगे, first especially first 5 years are very important for brain development of a child. Because अभी major जो ब्लॉक सेट होंगे, that is going to happen right now. बाद में तो it's like the fineness part which is happening, right? तो अभी जो आप बोलोगे, बच्चे का हैबिट उसी के बेसिस पे रहेगा. एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल सी कि व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज ग्रोन अप, बड़ा हो गया है, तब भी वो हैबिट साथ में रहेंगी. इट्स वेरी रेयर कि कंपनी के रीजन से दैट चाइल्ड हैज चेंज्ड, और कुछ ज्यादा बाहर का खाने लग गया, या ऑप्शन नहीं है, या दैट कुड बी द
That could
रीजन.
be a
बट
reason,
अदरवाइज
yes.
तो it's going to be like what you are going to teach to the child.
Also, I just in case, so I asked one of the parents that आपका बच्चा खाता ही नहीं है खाना. मतलब we try to feed them a lot when they are at the school, but there are few kids they don't eat at all. So mothers are like, it's okay, ma'am. I am good with the supplements. अगर ये नहीं खाता, maybe he is not in the mood or she is not in the mood today. So I will provide the supplement. Nutrition has been taken care of. आप force feed मत करना बच्चे को. So what is that scenario?
डेफिनेटली फोर्स फीड इज नॉट रिकमेंडेड. एक्चुअली क्या होता है, बच्चा क्यों नहीं खा रहा है, दैट इज अ वेरी बिग रीजन. सो पेरेंट्स नीड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, लुक फॉर द रीजन क्या है. क्योंकि सप्लीमेंट देना या कुछ भी ऐसा पैकेट ओपन करके देना, दैट्स वेरी इजी टू डू.
Right.
ठीक है, उसमें व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टू इम्प्रूव child's growth or development, right? So where you are playing that role. तो अभी क्या है कि there are a lot of reasons for that. First thing, या तो आप बिल्कुल बच्चे के पीछे पड़ गए हो, खा लो खा लो खा लो, उधर टीवी ऑन है, and then you are feeding the child. Here child is not aware पेट भर गया है, नहीं भरा है, and it's struggle. It's like a battlefield. दोनों लड़ रहे हैं. So first thing is that. Second is that you are giving too many options to a child. उस टाइम पे भी बच्चे थोड़े पिकी ईटिंग की तरफ जाने लगते हैं कि आई विल आप बोल रहे हो कि चलो आज दाल रोटी नहीं खानी, कोई बात नहीं, मैं पास्ता बना देती हूँ. वो क्यों करना है आपने, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि यू आर गिविंग टू मेनी ऑप्शंस टू अ चाइल्ड. जो घर में बना है गिव दैट ओनली टू द चाइल्ड. थोड़ा बहुत मॉडरेशन अप डाउन का चलता है, बट नॉट दैट यू आर चेंजिंग अ कंप्लीट थिंग,
Correct.
राइट.
That's
प्लस देयर इज अ वेरी बिग रीजन अगेन फॉर दिस कि आपके 3 मेजर मील्स लेने हैं, राइट.
Hmm.
ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर. नाउ उसके बीच का जो गैप है, दे आर स्नैकिंग time, right? उसमें if you're giving a piece of pastry, you're giving a packet of chips, a big
Yeah.
chocolate, tummy is already full. Then how can you expect कि बच्चा बाद में जो मील है मेजर वो खाएगा? नहीं
That's
खाएगा,
true.
बिकॉज सी जो आप अभी फूड दे रहे हो ना, उसकी अगर आप कैलोरी काउंट चेक करोगे, दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल टू अ मेजर मील. तो अगर टमी ऑलरेडी फुल है, तो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट कि बच्चा खाना खाएगा? एंड बच्चा खाना नहीं खा रहा है एज अ रीजन, आई मीन यू आर गिविंग सप्लीमेंट्स और अदर थिंग्स. So it's like a vicious cycle happening and happening again and again.
Right. But again, do supplements play a good role in the growth of the child? Because the kind of atmosphere we all are living in North India, sunlight तो या तो it is extreme, you know, and अभी वो lifestyle नहीं है यार, सुबह 6 बजे उठ के we can go and बच्चों को धूप लगाते थे जैसे, अब वो तो चीजें नहीं है. अब vitamin D is kind of a supplement जो I think every one of us is taking these days. So for the kids, should we get into these vitamin D3, calcium, omega supplements? Should we, inculcate that habit?
Not all the nutrients I'll talk about. Definitely, if there is an urgent need, you feel or a doctor feels that there is a deficiency in a child and growth is not happening, so then definitely supplement is good to go, because we have to, because that's an urgent need. हमें
Correct.
ऐड करना ही है, राइट. बट इस केस में भी अगर मैं फूड की बात करूँ, तो वी कैन डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. लाइक फॉर विटामिन डी यू कैन गिव मशरूम्स, और इफ अ पर्सन इज एगिटेरियन, आप एग योक यू कैन इंक्लूड. एंड वो भी अगर नहीं है, सो वीक में अगर एक दिन भी इफ यू आर गोइंग टू पुट ऑयल ओवर एक्सपोज्ड एरिया, जैसे आर्म्स पे लगा के मॉर्निंग में, संडे या सैटरडे बिफोर 12 वाले सन में भी, इफ किड इज सिटिंग, तो उससे भी चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू absorb vitamin D, because vitamin D absorption we need fat.
Right.
तो उससे भी absorption better होगा, levels automatically increase होंगे. एंड बाकी अदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स की बात करूँ, तो डेफिनेटली इफ यू सी अ डाइट, इफ यू सी अ फूड that is flooded with all the nutrients and everything, it's just that we have to see what we have in the kitchen, how we can present that to a child. Because see, a child is definitely expecting something colorful, something different with which child can relate, because
Right.
for a child food is new. हमने भी बहुत बचपन में जैसे बहुत सारी चीजें ट्राई करते हैं. इवन बीइंग एन एडल्ट, कोई क्विजीन है, इफ आई एम ट्राइंग इट टुडे, मे बी आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट, बट मे बी आफ्टर फ्यू डेज और अ फ्यू वीक्स आई अगेन ट्राई, शायद तब
Correct.
अच्छा लग जाए, फिर शायद तब अच्छा लग जाए. तो जब तक नहीं एक्सेप्टेंस आता है, ट्राई टू इंक्लूड दैट बीच बीच
We
में.
try to do that only. हम लोग fruits का shape बनाते हैं so that kids will have it. However, इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं, shapes भी इतना introduce नहीं
I
होता,
know.
but we try to do that shape. One of our parents, what she does is, वो usually shapes cut करके भेजते हैं.
There are
In
cutters
different
available
forms.
actually.
Yes, yes.
Amazon पे cutters
And
भी
वो
available
lunch
है.
खत्म होता है, maybe that child will have it, or maybe others will come and peep into that lunch that what he has, because they find it different maybe. So I think giving the same fruit but in different shapes
Yes,
can also help.
absolutely. Absolutely. That is why I said कि you can give burgers. You see kids are exposed to that, right? Ads के through बोलो, या peers के through बोलो, या इधर उधर देखा है. But at home you can make those burgers, but make sure that you're not just giving aloo tikki. You're giving vegetable tikki, you're giving beetroot tikki, you're giving soya tikki, या पनीर stuff कर दिया. This way you can take care of the nutrition while
So,
giving the same food what child is expecting.
right, so having junk but in a clean way.
Absolutely.
So that's the way they should do it. Two things you have to tell me are myth or reality.
Sure.
So milk is enough for the growth?
Definitely no, not at all. Because see, there were पहले time में बोलते थे कि milk is a complete food and all, but definitely big no. No fiber, no iron. So definitely we don't want to give. अगर आप milk से replace कर रहे हो major meal, so you see over the period of time बच्चे को constipation के issues आने लगेंगे. Second thing is, you see how adulterated milk is. Oxytocin के injections लगते हैं cows, buffaloes को,
Correct.
So definitely what you are giving is, you have to see. So don't just think milk is a complete food. Try to look for other options for that.
बच्चा कुछ भी खा ले, बस पेट भरना चाहिए. myth or
It's
reality?
definitely big myth because see, we are eating food not
Hmm.
to fill our tummy. हम पेट भरने के लिए खाना नहीं खा रहे हैं, हम बॉडी को नरिश करने के लिए खाना खा रहे हैं. We are eating to fuel our body, right? So I'll give a very good example here. Like there is a car, right? Car has a tank, right? उसमें अगर if I'm going to fill water, कार नहीं चलेगी, right? कोई
Right.
एवरेज नहीं, कुछ नहीं, मूव भी नहीं करेगी. बट इफ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द राइट फ्यूल इन इट, पेट्रोल डीजल जो भी कार में डलता है, जो भी जैसे है, so you will see average अच्छा आ रहा है, performance अच्छा आ रहा है, and it is moving. Same is with our body. If you're going to put good food, good, covering up all the groups, all the macros and micros, so you'll see how a child is growing, right? So that is what we have to think. We don't just have to fill the tummy, हमें overall body देखनी है कि हम क्या fill कर रहे हैं body को.
करेक्ट. सो मेरा बच्चा बाहर का ही खाना खाता है, मैं
हम्म.
घर में कुछ भी बना लूँ वो खाएगा ही नहीं. उसको टेस्ट ही बाहर का पसंद है. सो
हम्म.
इज दैट अ टेस्ट और एडिक्शन?
You can say definitely taste as well as addiction, because यहाँ पे भी बहुत, there is a big thing कि you see who is actually promoting that food, right? Some role model, some cricketer or some actor, उस या कोई cartoon character, जिससे child is too much obsessed and is looking forward to eat that particular food only. So that is one thing. प्लस बाहर के खाने में डेफिनेटली थोड़ा मसाला, फ्लेवर एनहांसर्स, ये सब चीज़ें एडेड रहती है, राइट? वी डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर एडिंग. सो उस केस में भी दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि बाहर का खाना क्यों अच्छा लग रहा है. तो आप अगर घर में भी यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द सेम फूड बट इन अ डिफरेंट वे, लाइक थोड़ा चेंज करके, लाइक आई
करेक्ट.
मेंशन, तो डेफिनेटली चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू लव दैट.
सो शुगर फ्री जूसेस आर हेल्दी ऑप्शन फॉर किड्स, मिथ्स और रियलिटी?
See, there is nothing like sugar free juices.
Stevias and
No, that is not
maltodextrin.
recommended for kids actually. Because see, sugar free ka meaning hai either they are adding some artificial sweetener. That is a big, big no for kids. Not just for kids, even for an adult. If you are taking artificial sweetener on a regular day basis, it's going to impact your heart, right?
Right.
So, agar it is not recommended, why you want to give it? Give fresh juice at home if you want to give it, because even outside juice is not recommended. You see how many infections are there, and वो सब reason है, तो definitely big no outside juices, packed or fresh, no.
So one of the questions from dadis and nannies, uh, तुम भी तो ऐसे ही खा के बड़े हुए हो, अभी थोड़ा अभी नहीं खिलाओगी तो बाद में ज्यादा खाएगा. So what in that case? Because mothers कितना भी रिफ्रेन कर रही है, पर अगर नानी या दादी उनको टॉफी या चॉकलेट कुछ दे रहे हैं, तो what in that case?
See, in that case also you are taking once in a while, not every time. और अगर हम पहले ज़माने की बात करें तो definitely you see, at that time दादीज and नानीज used to focus on millets, right? रागी हो गया, ज्वार हो गया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ऐसे millets में आपके, जो which you can right now also have it at home. तो वो हम लोग पहले खाते थे, सब कुछ खाते थे, and clean होता था food, no adulteration. Even if you see the air we are breathing, तो सब में difference था, right? The activity level you see how active we used to be before.
Right.
Now everybody is sitting indoor AC में, and everything is
Hmm.
you are not ready to go outside. तो फिर अगर आपका activity level नहीं है, so whatever you are eating is definitely going to give your child obesity. So big, that
Right.
is where you have to focus that.
So हमारा तो खाते पीते घर का बच्चा है, ओबीज नहीं है, myth और reality?
See, that will be decided by a growth chart definitely,
Right.
right? So अगर मैं average बात करूँ, 3 to 6 year old child, a child who is 3 to 6 year old, उसकी height average approximately 6 to 7 centimeters increase होती है, right, in a year annually. And if I talk about the weight, to 1.5 to 2 kgs increase होता है average annually, right? So if you are observing कि इससे बहुत ज़्यादा जा रहा है, and child is not active, बाकी parameters में भी थोड़ा deficiencies या कुछ दिख रहा है आपको, lazy है बच्चा, तो definitely you have to look कि where you are lacking here.
Correct. So force feeding is a permanent solution, or
No, definitely no, because see, if you're force feeding, kid is watching TV, आप force करके खिला रहे हो, so don't create meal time as a battlefield or war zone, उसको create मत करो. Let child do self feeding. जब तक बच्चा खाने को touch करके explore नहीं करेगा, how the texture is, color कैसा है, feel कैसा है, तब तक child is not going to accept food. Let child explore, give cutlery accordingly, give safe space, good place to sit so that child can have food of his own. Like self feeding I'll definitely encourage, because force feeding तब होता है जब बच्चा नहीं खा रहा है, and you know बच्चा टीवी देख रहा है and you want कि जल्दी जल्दी खाना खा ले, right?
Right.
So वो नहीं करना है, let child explore, give time. So definitely that is
अच्छा, there's
the big thing.
again a statement which I hear usually,
Hmm.
बच्चा स्कूल में ज्यादा अच्छे से खाना खाता है, myth or reality?
See, definitely this is a reality. Why? Because that environment in which child is, that is a happy place for a child, right?
Right.
घर पे मम्मी पीछे भाग रही है, बेटा खाना खा लो, राइट? स्कूल में कोई ऐसे नोबडी इज रनिंग बिहाइंड यू, सब बच्चे बैठ के आराम से खा रहे हैं, यू नो दे हैव देयर टिफिन बॉक्सेस एंड एवरीबडी इज ईटिंग, अपना यू नो कटलरी से ले रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट थिंग सेल्फ फीडिंग दे आर डूइंग इट, सेकंड दे आर इन अ हैप्पी एनवायरनमेंट, थर्ड nobody is forcing them to have it, right?
Correct.
They're eating at their own pace. So if you're going to give that environment to a child at home, definitely child is going to have it. And one thing I would like to focus here, at least one meal a child should have it with whole family over the dining table, because that's going to really help child, you know, have good eating habits. Because see, if we are sitting with a family for one meal at a dining table, everybody is discussing their things, right? So that is really going to help a child to have good, you know, emotional well-being, like.
Right.
So that is also a good thing if we can add that.
So one more question, Atika. I don't know if that is related to nutrition or not,
Hmm.
but हाथों से खाना खाते हैं तो जल्दी पेट भरता है. Myth or a reality?
See, it's a myth, definitely. See, कुछ लोगों को comfortable है hand से खाना, but if your hands are dirty, nails are big, usually kids के साथ है, they don't wash their hands.
Correct.
तो definitely उससे infection के chances ज़्यादा हैं. So it's better spoon चले अगर बच्चों को, बाकी rest if hands are clean, so definitely they can have it with hands as well.
So this is all for the myths and reality. Now I would want to ask few questions, very quick and very crisp answers. I want 3 changes जो parents आज से start कर सकते हैं for a healthy lifestyle for their child. If we'll talk about infants and toddlers, मतलब दोनों का, for the age segment of 1 year to 3 year and 3 to 3 plus basically.
Sure.
So what are the 3 changes that parents should imbibe so that their kids will have healthy eating?
Yes. So first, stop comparing your child while, you know, during the meal time. Second, stop giving packed foods to the child. Third, encourage self-feeding.
Okay.
Yes, these 3 things I will talk
Okay. So busy parents के लिए कोई realistic सा meal plan जो वो बच्चों के लिए और mothers अपने लिए भी कर सकती हैं, so that maybe one day of a detox, maybe from the outside eating, or maybe one day of a clean eating kind of thing.
See, definitely here again we have to, you know, use our own kitchen where we are using, like I mentioned, we can take different tikkis, we can take a pancake, whole wheat flour pancake, we can give that in a tiffin box as well.
Right.
We can have besan chila, we can have dal chila, we can make a roll out of it and stuff it with paneer, right? So that is another thing.
Idli.
हाँ,
For
mini idlis, I
probiotic,
was
mini
thinking,
idlis,
yes.
stir fry करके veggies, we can do that. Or what else? We can make. What about cheese thing? I mean, cheesy something
हाँ.
for the kids. I mean,
Cheese slice?
they
No,
not
you
cheese
can add
slice.
it in a burger as well.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
अच्छा, सूजी intake का क्या myth है? I mean, सूजी is good to have. However, there are few, different people who have a different opinion to it that सूजी is also kind of wheat. So should we
Yes.
give that to the child? मतलब अगर bread नहीं देना है तो सूजी वाला bread
See,
बना के या कुछ.
bread is, if you're talking about bread, which bread you're talking about? Is it maida one or which one? So if you're talking about the maida one, so definitely suji is a better option. As I
Correct.
mentioned, maida is a refined form, nothing is there, no fiber, no micronutrients and everything. So if you're giving suji, that's good, you can give it. Whole wheat flour, you can give it. You can also give amaranth, is a very good, you know, calcium source, you can give iron as well. So
Correct,
amaranth flour, if we make a roti out of it and you compare it with a regular roti, it is going to be very soft. So maybe kids can, you know, accept that. So that is a very good option for kids. So वो parents try कर सकते हैं. For, you know, if they are on diet or if they are taking care of their diet, they can also have it, and even kids can have it. So stuffed paratha can also be given.
Right.
आलू definitely not, but कभी पनीर का दिया, कभी उसका
गोभी, पनीर,
yes,
cauliflower.
then we can stuff it with
Right.
whatever we need, like soya also.
Soya can
हाँ.
also be done. Correct. So healthy meals, healthy snacks जो
Mhm.
इवनिंग का टाइम होता है विच इज मोस्टली ऑन बिंजिंग, और वही टाइम होता है जो यूजुअली वी ऑल रश टू मार्केट्स
Mhm.
टू हैव समथिंग वेरी टेस्टफुल जो हमारी एनर्जी लेवल्स अप हो जाए. So what in that case? Some healthy snacks option for the kids.
Yeah, so you can give chana chaat. You can boil chanas and then you can give them, or you can give peanut chaat, makhana chaat, or you can also give hummus pita is a very good example of cereal and pulse combination, right? Or sprouts also you can add. So there are a lot of things which you can
So
give.
no French fries. Maybe a
No,
sweet
I'll tell
potato.
you, yes, sweet potato fries you can give definitely.
Yes, we can have that. And so a question. Sometimes parents feel guilty that
Hmm.
उनका बच्चा whatever there's so much we all as a parent want
Hmm.
to do for the kid, but sometimes parents feel guilty that मैं अच्छे से नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. Maybe mothers को
Hmm.
ऐसा लगता है that yes I know that I should do a sweet potato fries or I should
Hmm.
do this that, but there's sometimes that mothers are unable to do because of obvious
Hmm.
few things. So
Hmm.
what do you have to tell
See,
to those
here
mothers?
it depends. Guilt is like why guilt is happening. So reason क्या है उसका? Is it that बच्चा खा नहीं रहा या क्या reason है? So you need to understand, deep dive into it, that what is the reason for that, and then feel whether you are doing justice to what you're giving to your child or not. क्योंकि see, if you're giving some heavy snack and then
Hmm.
you're expecting a child to have a major meal, that is not going to happen. If you're giving milk as a major meal and then you want कि child उसके बाद बच्चा फिर से कुछ खा ले, तो वो possible नहीं है. तो गिल्ट किस रीजन से है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट.
So best brain food for the toddler.
Yes, so I would recommend flaxseed powder, highly recommended. If you are vegetarian, if you want to try out something different, you can try eggs as well. Very good source of omega 3, best for brain growth.
So, Nitika, this is a rapid fire segment, and I want you to give me a one word answer to it. So, best brain food for the toddlers.
Definitely flaxseed powder if you're vegetarian, otherwise you can try an egg. Very good source of omega 3, perfect for brain.
Then, one particular food that a child should avoid. One, you have to choose one.
High sugar foods.
High sugar, sodium will do.
No, definitely packed ones.
Uh-huh.
Everything like which is high in sugar and packed foods, processed foods, big no.
Okay, one habit every parent must teach to their child.
Self feeding.
One mistake every parent makes.
They overemphasize over the neatness part, and they reward kid for after they reward kid for completing the meal and then rewarding them with something junk or sometimes food.
So, daily junk food खाना क्या brain development को slow करता है?
Definitely big yes, slow करता है, because see if a child is having junk food तो उसके जो भी nutrient dense food है, जो balanced food है, वो उसको skip करेगा, right? क्योंकि अगर हम main meal में हम snacking कर रहे हैं ज़्यादा, तो definitely you're going to skip that, right? And there is a very big reason, क्योंकि आपके इस reason से nutrients like iron, calcium, protein, vitamin A skip होंगे. As a result आपका एक neurotransmitter है which is very important, which is acetylcholine. तो
Right.
जो बच्चे जंक फूड ज़्यादा खाते हैं उनमें एसिटाइलकोलिन के लेवल्स दे गो डाउन, राइट? एंड दैट इज रिलेटेड विद अटेंशन. सो ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट ग्रोथ जो होगा वो दैट इज गोइंग टू स्लो डाउन इफ अ चाइल्ड इज हैविंग टू मच जंक एट होम.
Okay. So thank you, Nitika, for coming up and answering so many questions that we had. And the all intake I could get out of this conversation is that nutrition is just not about feeding. It's
Absolutely.
about building the future of your child. So emotional eating and just feeding emotionally won't help. You
Absolutely.
have to build it daily and make it stronger. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.